Let's go. Oops. Hey everyone, Rana's Raider here. I am at the Alpine Coaster here in Pigeon Forge. And yeah, so these coasters are pretty cool. They're not like your usual crazy ones, but you get great scenery and they go winding around the mountains, so I'm pretty excited. Now it's about $18 to ride, but the good thing is that once you purchase your ticket, you can come again at any other time of the day and go again for $10. So, but yep, here we go. Oh, that's a bit steep. Oh, that looks like a drop up ahead. I'm gonna push down on these handles and hopefully I won't bump into anyone. So it's pretty basic. Got two handles in front of me. Push to go fast, pull to slow down, especially if there's other riders in front of you, but hopefully it's gonna go faster than this. I'm so used to the big coasters, you know, just going really fast, so I guess patience is the game, but I think I could just sit here and enjoy the scenery, so I'm gonna do that. Well, I hear some screams up ahead, so I'm guessing that's what it means when we're high enough in the mountain, we can come winding down pretty quick. So I did hear some screams. Push handles forward. Okay, here we go. All right, so my handles are down and yeah, we're picking up speed. Woo! Whoa. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Oh shit. God, it feels like you're about to go off the edge in the turns. Maybe I should slow down, but no. Oh man, wow. Oh.
Please keep your handles down until the end of the ride. Please keep your handles down until the end of the ride. Please keep your handles down until the end of the ride. Please keep your handles down